Hello, Driving Intelligence community. Haven't done a don't replace it, fix it video in a long time because I hadn't had any good subject material until I went to the junkyard to do some recycle, or actually the dump, and found this big fan that's probably a couple $100 sitting in there, paint's in perfect condition. I brought it home, plugged the cord that was in perfect condition in, it hummed and blew my circuit breaker. So I thought, all right, there's some, the problem is the motor is sucking a lot of amps and it's not getting started. It pulls a lot of amps because of that. So I decided to use a couple things here, WD-40 and my CRC electric contact cleaner, and I sprayed it inside the motor, let it soak. I didn't even disassemble the motor. And I then, as I let it soak for about a day, it's doing what it's supposed to do. Now you need to be very cautious because these are flammable items, and I'm not recommending you do this. It's just something I did that worked. The fan is going to be a perfect addition to my garage. So don't replace it, fix it. Look for your own solutions to fix these things. I'll see you next time on Driving Intelligence.